In this question, you will read a short seconds to speak. Read a passage about epiphytes from a biology textbook. You will have 50 seconds to read the passage. Now listen to part of a lecture from a biology class.
Okay, so a good example of this type of plant, common to the rainforest, is the earn plant. The earn plant wraps its roots around the branches of the trees, or sometimes around the trunk near the upper part of the tree. They use the trees for support, and this allows them to reside high in the trees, in the canopy, where they can get plenty of sunlight. Now, the earn plant has a unique shape. It got its name because the formation of its leaves creates a kind of urn or bowl where it can store water. The earn plant has rather long, stiff, spiky leaves. The leaves are slightly overlapping and are tightly rolled into a kind of cone shape, or a funnel shape. Its flowers are held on a single stem in the center. Anyway, as I mentioned, the arrangement of the leaves forms a kind of receptacle, or bowl, at the base, so that as rainwater collects on the leaves, it rolls down into the bowl, where it can be stored. Okay, so its unique shape helps it gather and store water. It also helps it to gather other nutrients. This is because insects, dead leaves from other plants, or other debris land on the leaves and then get washed down into the stored water. Gradually, they decompose. The chemical breakdown creates a nitrogen-rich food source in the stored water. So, the water supply contains a kind of liquid fertilizer that can be released to the plant whenever.
Using the example of the earn plant, explain how epiphytes have adapted to life in.
Please prepare your answer after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.